What if I told you that Dunkin's famous Snackin Bacon can be made at home with just 3 ingredients and in under 20 minutes? This sweet and spicy bacon treat's about to become your new addiction. All you need are 3 ingredients. You need thick cut bacon, and then you are going to combine light brown sugar with freshly ground black pepper. That's it. It's so simple. It's incredibly delicious. You're going to lay some foil on a baking sheet for easy cleanup, and then you are going to press your brown sugar and black pepper onto the bacon so it sticks. You're going to bake this at 400 degrees for about 16 to 18 minutes. They'll start checking at 12 minutes. It just depends on how thick your bacon is. Let your bacon cool on a wire rack so that the delicious brown glaze can set up before serving. Make a batch on Sunday, store in an airtight container in the fridge for a quick breakfast all week long. Sweet, savory, and a little bit of spice. And if you love Copycat recipes, be sure to come to copycat.com for more.